Have you ever pondered the idea of making money on YouTube without showing your face? Yes, you read that right. No need for expensive equipment, no need for makeup, or even worrying about your background setting. Welcome to the world of faceless YouTube videos, where your identity remains a mystery, but your content speaks volumes. Step 1. Choose your niche. This is the foundation of your YouTube journey. Whether it's cooking, tech reviews, gaming, or educational content, pick a theme that you are passionate and knowledgeable about. Step 2. Script your content. Now, this is where the magic happens. A well-written script is the backbone of faceless videos. It's your voice and the information you provide that will captivate your audience. Engage your viewers with a conversational tone, sprinkle in some humor and keep it lively. Step 3. Record your voice. You don't need a professional recording studio. A quiet room and a decent microphone will do the trick. Ensure your audio is clear and free of background noise. Remember, your voice is the star of the show here. Step 4. Create the visuals. This could be anything from screen recordings, animations, stock footage, or even a simple slideshow. There are numerous free and paid tools available online to help you craft engaging visuals that complement your audio. Step 5. Edit your video, sync your audio with your visuals, add some background music if needed, and voila! You have your faceless video ready. There are several user-friendly video editing software options available, both free and paid, that can help you with this process. Step 6. Optimize your video for SEO. Make sure you use relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. This step is crucial for your video to be discovered by potential viewers. Step 7. Upload and promote. Once your video is ready, upload it to your YouTube channel. Share it on your social media platforms. Send it to your friends and family, and ask them to share it further. The more views and shares, the higher the chances of earning revenue from your videos. And there you have it, 7 easy steps to create a faceless video and start earning money on YouTube. Remember, the key to success lies in consistency and quality content. In this realm of faceless YouTube videos, it's your voice that carries your identity. So make sure it's heard loud and clear. In summary, the key points to remember from this video are: choosing a niche that suits you, scripting engaging content, recording clear audio, creating captivating visuals, editing your video, optimizing for SEO, and promoting your video. Embark on this exciting journey of faceless YouTube videos, where your creativity takes the front seat and your identity takes a back seat. It's time to let your content do the talking.